Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyo mga beshies ko dyan. So, ngayon po ay pupunta tayo sa laptop shop para maghanap-hanap ng bagong laptop. So, ako po ay inyong samahan. Excited na po ako. Tara! Today's video mga beshies, I'll be doing an unboxing. So this one, so this is a present from my partner for our anniversary. Yes, so if you can read this brand, it's down here, you will know what is inside of this one. Yes, so this is from the brand MSI. So this is not a sponsored video. Binili po namin to. Ay, binili pala niya to for me. So I think we can start the unboxing now. So the box itself is already open, but there is another box inside, okay? So first guys, we have here, okay, the mouse. So this is the inclusion. Free wireless mouse. So this one. Okay, it's included. And this is the receipt. And we have also here the mouse pad. Pero syempre, hindi naman ako fan itong game na to. So, we have mouse pad and of course we have a bag. Ayan. So, hindi ko siya i-open yung kanyang bag. Okay? So, let's put it down here. Get the receipt. And the next one is this. Okay, tumayo na talaga ako. Iba-iga ako na nga. Ayan. So, this is the box, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so happy. So, you can see it this way, right? So, let's open this, guys. So, first, let's do it here. Then here. Then I'll put it down. Yes, it is. Ayan. Then, there's a box. Let's put it down. And here it is po. It's inside this plastic. So let's remove the plastic. It's in here. Ayan, so nakikita niyo yung door ko. So I will close it first. Ayan guys, then inside we have, this is the manual. Okay. And down here, check. So we have the charger here. So this is the charger. So this time, let's remove the plastic on top. Like this. Oh la la. And so you can see the MSI logo over here. So it's upside down like this one. Okay. So this one is the MSI logo. And now let's open it. Here it is. Ayan po siya. Let's remove this felt cover. And I love it. And this one is the on and off button. So let's press it. Open please. Ayan. Lights on. So this is how it looks when you switch on. Oh, hello guys. There's a problem with the laptop. So the camera is not working. So we will return this tomorrow to the shop to for them to check this out. Okay. So and then I will update you tomorrow about this. So actually guys, the camera is not really broken because I am using it right now. Hi! Good morning! So guys, for our update, sabi ko kasi kagabi i-update ko kayo kaya hindi man ang damit ko, diba? So our camera now is working. Okay, so to enable the camera, yeah, press function and then you will just press F6. So when you purchase MSI, they really disable the camera. So you can enable that by pressing those keys. So that's it guys, and thanks for watching and see you again next time. Okay, so this time naman, mag-unbox tayo ng mga gamit sa kusina! Yes! So, dalawa sila dito. Ayan, para partner. So, actually, yung first box na ito, I got this before pa. Pero nag-iisa siya. So, kailangan niya ng ka-partner like you. Okay? Ayan. So, this is from the brand Green Cook. But, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. Binili ko po ito. Ayan. So, buksan na po natin. Baka antukin na kayo. Okay? So, first, ayan. Tanggalin lang natin yung ito. Then, ayan siya. And then, ito na siya. Ooh, look at guys. Got the clue? No clue yet? Okay, so ito na po. This is a caldero. Okay. You can read this here. Okay, this is the language of the Vietnamese people. Ayan, ito po yon. So, let's see what we have. Ta-da! It's the caldero. You can see color. Color, yes. Okay, this is what I love. So, mayroon siyang takip, of course. Or sa English, lid. Diba? Ayan, may palid siya. Okay, remove natin sa plastic. Ta-da! Okay, sapato muna natin siyan. Basura here. And then, let's remove this. Ayan yung loob niya po, guys. This color. Parang gray. Gray nga siya, no? Gray yung loob, yung inner part. And this is the outer part. Ayan siya, guys. So, this one is, I think, is 24 cm. Ayan, sabi dito. 24 cm made in Vietnam. Ceramic pot. Ayan. So, then, tatakpan na natin siya. Tara na, at tayo na yung magluto. O, diba? I love it. So, the second one is in this box. Okay, now let's open this. Ayan. Guys, hindi na ito yung box niya. Kasi, display na lang po ito siya. Eh, ito yung gustong-gusto ko talagang size. Kasi yung iba, it's either too small, or yung isa naman sobrang laki at ang mahal. So, hindi ko na kaya yun. So, ayan. Tadaan! This is it! Ayan, guys. Ito na po yung ating next one. So, alam niyo po na po ba? What is this? I-turn ko para may idea kayo. Turn around and around. Ayan, may pakanta. So, this is my new, not my pala, dalawa kami. So, this is our new oven. Ayan, bago na po siya, guys. Kasi yung aming isang oven is, hindi na siya gumagana ng maayos and it's too small. Hindi kasya yung aking mga tray or baking pan. So, we decided to purchase a new one. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko siya dyan. Iaangat natin para makita nyo yung kaloob-looban niya. So, ayan guys, pinaupo ko muna sa sofa ang ating bagong oven. Kasi ang hirap mag-unbox sa sahig. Ayan, o diba? So, here it is. And ang ating caldero is here. Huwag kang mahulog. Okay? So, guys, let's remove the plastic. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ni-wrap na lang nila to, guys. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, this oven is from Morris. So, this one is a Singapore brand. Okay, so, and it's our first time to be using this or to be having this in our household. Ayan. So, kung nakagamit na kayo dito, kindly leave a comment naman kung ano yung masasabi nyo sa oven na to. Okay? We have here the first knob. So, this knob is the cooking function knob. And then, we have here the temperature knob. And we have here the heating selection knob. And then we have here the timer knob, and we have the power button right here. Ayan. So all in all, we have 4 knobs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. So let's open this one. So this one is the handle, and this one is glass. Okay. Glass door, and then here inside. Ta-da! So you have here baking pan number 1. Ayan. And we have here baking pan number 1, and then we have the wire rack. It's only 1, and this is baking pan number 2, and we have here something to use for lechon manok, diba? Or rotisserie chicken. Ayan. So that's the inclusion. Put it up. Ayan siya, guys. So this one also nare-remove ko siya. So the capacity of this one is 40 liters, 2,000 watts. Ayan. So here it is, the beaker. So it says here, warning, hot surface. Ayan, sabi dyan. So ganyan na siya, guys. So, sa ngayon po mga kaibigan, we are here sa aking kusina or sa aming kusina. So, pasensya na po kayo sa mga kaguluhan dyan and everywhere. Hayaan nyo na yan, okay? So, we are here para sa isang simpleng grocery haul, okay? So, this is not to brag, guys, but to show you kung gaano makamahal ang mamili dito compared to other countries. Okay, so, first, simulan natin dito sa unang bag. Yan. Okay, so, ito guys, bumili ako nitong Galbani mozzarella. This is cost $2.61. Ayan. Okay. And then, I also got this cook and bake na butter. Ayan. Mabilis siya. And I also purchased kamote. Itong kamote natin is cost $0.70. Okay. And then I also got this Jin ramen. Oops. I've got this Del Monte 4 cheese na pasta sauce. So I've got 2 of them kasi wala na. So ayan. And then I also got this. Ito yung favorite snacks ko ngayon. Chili flavor, pero hindi to masyadong maanghang. Natikman ko na to. So this one is the original salted. And mega shoutout sa aking mga channel members. Zara D, Pinoy Mom in Pakistan, Msi Vlogs, Expressways, and Marino CMA TV.